Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky World. So today we will be looking at how we can send emails with Excel macros VBA and how we can embed tables, pivot tables, objects, charts into mail body. So that would be the agenda for today's video. So on the screen I have three tabs. On first tab we have a simple table, on second tab we have pivot table, on third tab we have chart. So we will see how we can create draft of mail, or how we can send mails having these objects in the mail body, how we can embed. So let's get started. With the developer tab we have macros. We will create a new macro here. Let's say I will create a new name, www create. So here we have. So before starting coding macro, one thing we need to do, we need to go into the tools, references. We need to enable this particular library, Microsoft Outlook 16.0 object library, in order to send emails, and in order to embed HTML objects we need to check in this particular library. So make sure to do that. Now we will start. So from very starting I will declare two variables, dim a b as object. Okay, then I will set a as create object outlook.application. So I'm setting up connection with the Outlook application. Then set b is equal to a dot create item. Here I'm creating a new session for Outlook to send mail. Then next I will do here, let's say b dot display. I want to display the session. Let's try running this if it's working fine. Yep. So here one session is getting populated by this. So now we want to embed certain objects here in mail body. How we can do that we will see. Okay, sorry. So here we will put b, which is session particularly, dot body format, because in normal body we cannot embed those objects. We need to change the body format into, let's say, OL format rich text. So this is the first statement. We need to change the body format. Then we need to declare further two more variables so that we can embed objects in this mail body. So let's say I will declare one variable, dim AAA, comma BBB as object. Now I will set AAA to, let's say, B, which is our session. So we will write here get inspector. Same way we will assign value to second variable, which is BBB. So here we will put AAA, which is the first one, dot word editor. Yeah. So these two variables we have set up, we have assigned objects. Now we need to copy the data which we want to embed into mail body. So let's say I want to embed this particular table. I can simply write here range A1 to b5 dot copy, and right ahead I can do, let's say, BBB, which is this one, dot application dot selection dot paste. So this would be the command. Let's try it out if it's working for us. I will try running it one by one, each statement. Here we have Outlook session. Yep, table is working perfectly fine. So I will click on no. So this is on table, so I will put here sheets table, and data should be picked from this table sheet. Same way, next I will go to the pivot table. I will write here sheets pivot table dot range A1 to B6 dot copy, and same statement I can paste again. And third, I want to embed chart as well. So in order to embed chart, we should know the name of this chart. In order to know the chart, we can click on this particular chart, and on the very right side we will be having options for pivot chart, analyze pivot chart. Chart 1 is the name of this chart, so we can put here sheets chart dot chart objects. Chart 1 was the name, if I remember correctly, dot copy, and same statement we will again paste. Let's try running this particular code. So I will try running entirely. There is some error, I guess. Sheets chart dot chart objects. Okay, so what's wrong with this particular statement? Oops, I guess there was a space. Yep. So if I open that mail, we have this, then pivot table, then chart, all are part of the mail body. So this is how we can embed all the objects into the mail body. And further, if there is a requirement of aligning, like this should be below this should be above this should be right, this should be left. So in order to do that, there are further two statements which we can utilize. So for example, one statement we have here, in this case BBB, which is this, dot application dot selection dot start, should be BBB dot application dot selection dot end. So one statement, this we can manipulate and we can tweak as per our requirement, and second statement we can use, which would be on insert before. So BBB dot range dot insert before, and instead of insert before we can put insert after as well by giving length. Same way we can give here length. Let's say instead of start I can give here 500 length. So if I give you one example here, I will put this particular command before pasting the chart here, paste. So now we will see, is there any difference, or maybe on the very top we can put on first statement here. So let me try running it. Okay, here we have a new session, so I will stop here. Okay, so VBA application. Yep, so basically these are the comments we can manipulate, and we can tweak the codes as per our requirement, and we can embed all the objects into the video. Yep. So this is for today's video. Meet you in our next video. Thanks.